Hi everyone, I'm Costa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to animate this card inside Framer. So first let's create a frame, something like this. Now let's change the color to a lighter gray and let's call this frame card. Now I will create another frame inside the card and I will name it animation, and I will press Ctrl D to duplicate the animation frame, and I will call it text. Now select the card and click on layout. Go to size and change the width to fit and the height to fit as well. And the gap should be 0. Alright, now we need to add a padding of 8 pixels. And let's bring the animation on top because we want the text to be below. So I will select the text now and I will remove the fill. And also I will make it less tall, something like this. Now let's copy the text from Figma. This is gonna be the title, so let's make it bigger. Maybe 24 is gonna be enough. And I will select the text frame and click on layout. Now let me zoom in and duplicate this text and let's make it 14 pixels. Go back to Figma, copy everything and paste it inside. Now let's change the width from fit to fill and center it. Also, I will add a max width because I don't like how it looks right now. So this looks better. And let me add a line height of 1.6. So this looks all right. Now select the card and add a radius of 32 pixels and select animation frame and add a 24 pixels radius. All right, let's make this maybe taller, something like this. And I will go back to Figma and I will copy this illustration right here. So let me bring this inside Framer. I will make it smaller and I will put it inside the animation card. So I will press Ctrl X, select the animation frame and press Ctrl V to paste it. It's still too big, so let's make it slightly smaller. Select animation frame and click on layout. Now let's adjust the size again of the animation frame because it still doesn't look right. So something about that should work perfectly, I guess. Now I will select the animation card once again, right click and create a component. Now let's create the other elements from this card. So basically we are gonna animate the profile pictures and the icons. So let's create them inside Framer. Go to layout, create frame. I will make it 56 pixels. And then I will add a radius to make it a circle. Go to border and add a 2 pixels thickness to the border line. Change the color to something else. I will select this orange. And now go to fill and switch from solid to pictures. Click on plugins, select Lumi. And now I will select a picture and I will duplicate this 2 more times. Select the picture and change with something else. I don't really care about the pictures because the idea of this video is to show you how to animate and not which pictures to choose. So I guess this is gonna work. Now duplicate this image and switch from image to fill again. Select the background color of the card. And now let's press Ctrl K and type in icon. And let's add a check icon inside this frame. Now select the frame, click on layout, and let's change the color of the icon. So I will make it the same as the border. This one looks great. Now let's duplicate this 3 times. Amazing. Now go to insert and look up for ticker. Let's drag it into canvas right here, and I will make it smaller, something like this, and bring it inside the card. Now this happens, don't worry, just switch to absolute. And now let's put this on top. Maybe let's make it slightly smaller, something like this. And let's duplicate it and put it in the bottom of the card. Amazing. Now let's connect the icons. Let's select all 3 of them. But as you can see, there is a problem. We need to change the direction actually. And now it looks right. Now select the second ticker and connect the profile pictures. Let's add the same direction as the icons. And we need to solve 2 more things. First, let's select the illustration that we imported from Figma. Go to styles and click on Z index. So here we need to put it 2 pixels or whatever this is on top of the other elements. So now it looks right. Let's select both of the tickers and change the speed to 50%. Now go inside breakpoint, and voila guys, this is how you create this animated card inside Framer.